Ito nga, this is the one banana peel soaking in the water. These other people, this name is swamp fertilizer. They calling that swamp fertilizer. This is good because mostly if you notice that your plants is or vegetable are not bearing fruits. Let's say if you have a tomato and then you notice that this tomato not bearing fruit, only they are continuously giving flowers, and after flowering this, you will see that the flower is falling only. So it means that your vegetable have no potassium. The potassium, we can get free potassium in the banana peel or in all complete banana fruits. These banana fruits, if you have expired banana, because somebody only throwing this, you can ask them to give you, so that it will not wasting only. So this banana, you will soak that in the water like this. See, this is the example. Even in the dry banana peel you can use also, because this banana peel is, when you soaking that in the water, the potassium will coming out. And this the time of is maybe up to 2 weeks minimum. If you follows, yeah.
What is this?
So this banana soak after 2 weeks, you can use that. Only the problem is sometimes if you're forgetting, there is sometimes it become giving bad odor, and the best solution is to remove the bad odor in your fertilizer like this, is by the using of additional sugar. If you are maybe you have a sugar there and you put only like this, it's only very small, you can add only here half a spoon of sugar. Some people, they are using about this molasses, but if you have no molasses, so you can use brown sugar. Brown sugar is the best. But if you have no brown sugar, you can use white sugar, because you know this sweet, because this is the food of the bacteria. Because of this bacteria, if there is sweet in your in this water, so bacteria is very fast to multiply. So that is the good and the advantage of you putting. And also even more than 2 weeks, the water will not give bad odor, because of this sweet. But if you can find the molasses, you can use this molasses. This is better, this molasses, because this molasses is composed of more nutrients. There is magnesium, pyro, manganese. There's too much. This mineral is vegetable need. That's why molasses is better than sugar. Now see, we have a little ripe here, of melon here, and by and by after this I will harvest this. Alhamdulillah, we have again new melon here, and I will take this, and maybe after 3 days this have this maybe this is fully ripe, this melon. That's why it's good. So I will add this This will cutting only. This after this cutting. Yeah. Now good. We will have now one melon, ripe melon. Melon, good, huh? ठीक है हाँ ठीक है वन मेलन अच्छा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आप किधर है गो किधर है जाओ आप पकाला ओनली एक्सरसाइज ठीक है see now our there is too much baby fruits here see because for you know this banana peel you can put also direct under the soil you digging the soil and then put downside. But if you putting the if you direct bore the banana peel in the soil, this is a long time before you take the potassium there. Unlike this banana peel, when you soaking in the water and store there a minimum of 2 weeks, this very faster that you can take the potassium. That is the better of soaking. And also when you put there in the roots of the vegetable, it is very fast to absorb of the plants. See this alhamdulillah there is a biofruit. Hopefully this will grow. And also here alhamdulillah there is also one fruit this. You see this melon is like a papaya. see alhamdulillah. This cat is always here. Every time I'm coming here, this cat is coming also. On this side, there is also one baby here. See, one baby also here. See, alhamdulillah. It's a little giving of fruits. And also here, alhamdulillah, one again. Here, alhamdulillah. See? But there is a little yellowish. I think maybe after this 3 days, it become ripe. So we will have again harvest. So we'll back again here in our. See. Now only I put this banana peel here. See the water now is a little dark now. So very fast. See, almost 2 minutes only, 2 minutes. See the water now is a little dark, so it means the potassium here is coming outside from the banana peel. So this is the better. So you can use this if your plants not giving fruits, only flower. This also good idea for this. But if you have more money in in the market, you can buy potash. This potash also I don't know how much this 1 kilo, because some big farmers they are using of potash. I see that they are buying some too much. They are taking potash. And when they see that the plant is giving flower, after that they will start to put some. Mostly if the fruit is maybe very near to harvest, they put potash also this potassium also they are used, because this potassium is also giving of they're giving also to the plants to make the fruits become sweet. That's why, you know, like this melon, sometimes you will taste the melon that are sweet, very sweet, because this melon, the farmer, they put potassium in their plants. So this potassium benefit is for the fruits to become sweet. That's why this potassium you can use also in the bearing fruits also. Let's say if you have a mango, then this mango is maybe after 2 weeks this will become matured, or will become ripe. So you put potassium so that it become more sweet. And also if the is starting to, if your mango is starting to give flowers, and then you put also potassium so that the flower will become more and more, and after that you will harvest 2 months. No, that is the one technique. And another technique that I want to tell you, like this. I want to tell about this one idea. You see, this melon is young. So even his vine is short. It's not too much long. So you will notice that this melon, there is giving baby fruits. See? There is this is the baby fruits of this melon. If you let this fruits continue matured, so this will affect the growth of your melon. So better is to remove this. Because if you will not remove, the nutrients will going to these fruits, and then the growth will not continue. Better this like this melon, you must be let this growth continue, and after that also it will give good fruits and big fruits. Because if you let this the fruits also, you will notice that the size is not good. You know, if you are making business this melon, the customer also always choosing the good size. So if you let this big, it will grow, but it will become big, but the problem is the size is not good. Sometimes is one side is good and another side is not flat, not round also. That is the disadvantage of that. Because sometimes if you are happy that, oh, you see that your plants is even young, they are giving fruits, but this will affect your the growth of your melon. So better to remove, and then it will grow, and after that is giving again the young fruits, and then this fruits you will let this to grow and become mature. This you will harvest inshallah of good looking and big fruits of melon. This is the one technique. This technique also you can do that in any vegetable that you have. It's better to make your plant big enough, even like the people. If the people are giving birth of young, maybe this will affect this body. So better this is in the good in the true age, in the right age. After that he will giving birth. If you are have a chili or any vegetable that not bearing fruits, will I want to give idea this. Collect banana and then soak in the water, and after 2 weeks you can put there. And then you putting also this. If this you cannot put fully concentrated direct in the plants. This you take 1 glass and 5 or 10 glass of clean water. And the better to use, mostly in other countries that are always raining, the better water you can use is the rainwater, because the rainwater is pure. If you use the water from the faucet or the tap water, it is better to maybe stuck there in 24 hours, because this water is chlorine. And also if you have spray, it is better to use spray also, because this spray also you can spray also this banana water direct in the leaves, not only downside. Usually because it's very fast to absorb by the plants. And then after 1 week you will see the result. Your vegetable will give fruits now. Even in the chili, if you because sometimes the chili are very abundant but not giving fruit, so you spray that this chili. Even in the squash or the ampalaya, you can just use that in the ampalaya. You put that, and then you will see that the ampalaya will giving up fruits. So that is for today, and don't forget to subscribe so that if we have video of another idea in the garden, and then you will see. And thank you very much. Please don't forget also to follow our video. Thank you.